Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. This video, I'm using a six-sided polygon again, and it's about the clone tool. So make your clone or make your polygon by holding down the control button, and then it's perfect. And then hit P and put it in the center of the page. Then let's take a 3-point line and go from that node to that node, holding down the control button, and you get a perfect arch. Now we've got that item selected, go up to view and, go to edit and clone it. Then double click on the X and put it in the center. Now let's rotate it 60 degrees. I must not have been in the center. Let me bring in indexing lines. Got my indexing lines turned off. So hit P, put it in the center. Grab indexing line, put P, put it in the center. And move this rotation to the center. A lot of times it'll snap to it. I think it did that time. Now rotate that 60 degrees. Oh man, it's a curve. I must have backed up and didn't clone it. So let's clone it. And then rotate it 60 degrees. We'll rotate it 120 degrees. Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D. Now the only difference is that this is our control curve and these are our clone curves. So what is neat about the clone tool, everything you do to the control, you're going to do to the other ones. And let's do this right here. I mean, there's some sort of flower, bring this in, different look. As long as you don't cross over that line, I think you're good. We could bring this in quite a bit, like a starfish. You could right click on that and turn it into a cusp. And by doing that, when you move one handle, it doesn't move the other one. But then you could always go back and grab that one handle. Pretty cool for making flowers and studs. And, then you could always take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. That's not a very good color. Let's go with the light blue. And then you could nudge that out of the way and you've got some sort of flower. We could left click, right click. And this is what I do. I play. And let's Control D and make a duplicate and mirror that guy. I mean, look at that. I mean, it would take you a pretty good long time to draw that. And then you could take your Smart Fill tool and fill in every other leaf, change your color. Guess it would have been better to use a color of a leaf. Or a petal of a flower. And then I think these are sealed up, so you could actually take like that real bright green and fill that in. You could even go to interactive fill tool, move that in and turn it into an elliptical, and then move this in and move these lines in. And at that time you can change your color. You could put a dark green in the middle and kind of fade that out where it looks like something like that. And then of course you could always select it all and right click, no outline. I like it with an outline, but you could make the outline green. Anyway, just some ideas. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.